Alright guys, MTech Guy here, and today we're going to take a look at changing out the front fog lights on the little 1 Series, the E87 130i. Now with these cars, it's not just a case of pulling the lens out and changing the bulb itself, there's a bit more to it than that, so we're going to run through the steps required to get them changed out. Now, both of mine are working perfectly okay at the moment, but I did notice when I first bought the car, I drove it down from Auckland, what I did notice when I saw the reflection in the back of a van that was in front of me, was something wasn't quite right. Check it out. Alright, check this out, look. We've got bright yellow fog lamps. I don't know what's going on here. We're in New Zealand, we're not in La France. Now, I don't like yellow fog lamps. It looks awful if you ask me. I want the proper white ones, the OEM ones. Guys, we need to get this rectified, so let's take a look at what parts we're going to need, eh? So here we have the new ones, a pair of them. Now, I picked these up at the dealer. There's the part number for anyone that's paying attention. But you don't need to go for genuine ones. As long as the H11's 12 volt 55 watt, you're good to go. And the thing to watch with these, of course, they're halogen, so you don't want to be touching the glass of the bulb there with your bare hands because it can damage them. It even tells you to be aware of that on the box there, so just be aware of that. Alright, let's run through the steps required to change them out. Alright, so to be able to gain access to the bulb, we need to get inside this housing here. We can't do it from the front, we need to sneak in from around the back, which we do inside the wheel arch here. So to start off, to give ourselves a bit of extra room, what we'll do is just rotate the front wheel so the front edge is pointing inwards. Alright, so now that we've got a bit of room to work with here, the idea is we want to release the inner wheel well liner and grab it by the corner here, and we're just going to peel it back, and then that'll give us access to the back of the fog light housing. So next up, there's 4 bolts to remove, one there, one up here, and then 2 underneath there, and they take an 8mm socket. So now that we've got that pulled back, we've got access to the back of the fog light housing there. There's the bulb right there. So to start off with, we just need to remove the electrical connector, just 2 clasps, one either side, pull it down, and now with the connector out of the way, we can grab hold of the bulb, turn it anti-clockwise and slide it out, and now we're ready to refit the new one, and of course being careful not to touch the glass of the bulb itself. Same again, push it into position and then turn it clockwise to seat it. There we go, and then we can refit the electrical connector. That's it, and now we can reposition the inner wheel arch liner and put the bolts back in. There we go, that's that side done. So next up we'll move on to the other side. Alright guys, so that's that job sorted, and as you can see we've got that nice white factory light coming from the fog lamps now, much better than that yellow, them yellow bulbs that were there before. If you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more BMW content. I'm MTech Guy, thanks a lot for watching.